I drank a shot of this every day for 5 days and it got all fat out of my tummy. This is so powerful. You want to try if you're looking to flush fat from your system, most especially that tummy fat, and get your body all nice and in shape for the summer. Stick around and try this, and trust me, you will come back thanking me. So, what you need is 6 stems or thumb sizes of ginger root. So this is ginger. You need like 6 thumb sizes of it to take you for 5 days. So once you get your ginger, you want to wash thoroughly and peel. Ginger is very good as it heats up your system to burn fat super fast because it is thermogenic. Having a shot of this early in the morning heats up your system to burn fat super fast. Plus, it has anti inflammatory properties to get rid of all the gassiness in your tummy, causing that bloated big tummy, all the constipation, you know. So, you want to flush all gases, bad fats, every bad thing from your tummy. That way, you lose that tummy fat and get your body in shape. So, this is my ginger, 6 thumb sizes of ginger. You want to put in your blender and add in 1 cup of water. So this is a cup of water to blend the ginger with so we can get the juice out of the ginger. Yeah, plus I'm not throwing anything, the fiber, the raw fish from the ginger juice. I'll share with you how to use this to burn your fat. So make sure you watch this video till the end because the next step will help facilitate this one to work even better. So once you blend your ginger, you want to get a sieve and sieve out the juice. Remember, as I mentioned earlier, once you sieve out the juice, you don't want to throw that raw fish. So watch till the end and I'll share with you what to do with it to facilitate that fast fat burning. Yeah, so this is it. This is my raw fish getting ready and I set aside. So watch till the end and I'll share with you what to do with this. Don't throw it, please. Yeah, that is very powerful. So this is the ginger juice you set aside, the 1 cup of ginger juice. Now the next thing you want to add, which is very important, is cumin powder. If you don't have cumin powder, you can substitute with cinnamon powder, but cumin powder helps to burn your fat for you. It supports your system to burn fat super fast. So what you want to do is to get some cumin tea to use for this recipe. So in order to get the tea, you need to get some your cumin powder and add in some hot water to make the tea. So I'm measuring, this spoon is equivalent to half a tablespoon. So this is 1 tablespoon at the end. 2 half a tablespoon is equal to 1 tablespoon. So this is it, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. You want to add in your cup and add in a cup of water, of boiled water. So you can get cumin tea out of these to add with the other ingredients to make it even more powerful to flush that fat super fast. So this is it. You want to set aside so it gets infused and cool down a little bit as well. So just set that aside, and the next thing you want to do is to get your lemons. Yes, this is very powerful at breaking down fat in your system and preventing fat accumulation as well. Lemons makes everything just so powerful. So you need 2 lemons. You want to get the juice out of your 2 lemons. They equally help to boost metabolism, facilitate fat breakdown in the system, and boost your immune system as well. Yeah, so you can be vibrant enough to burn your fat super fast. Lemons are very good at activating the system to burn fat, and that citric acid in it like helps to break down fats in your system. So you can easily pass out and get your body in shape. So these are the 2 lemons, the juice from the 2 lemons, and now what you want to do is to now, this is the raw fish. As I mentioned, I will set this aside. So watch till the end and I'll share with you what to do with this to help this recipe work even fast better. So now get your tea jar, your kettle, whatever you want to store this in. Now go ahead and add in the tea, the cumin tea or cinnamon tea. If you don't have cumin, you can substitute with cinnamon tea. Now you add in, you see the bottom part I don't add because of the particles, and this is what you want to do. The next thing you want to add is the juice, the 1 cup of ginger juice. Add it in there and add in the juice from your 2 lemons. This is it. Very powerful. When I say this is very powerful, a shot of this in the morning on an empty tummy, last thing at bedtime. So you're taking 2 shots of this a day in the morning on an empty tummy, last thing at bedtime. So a shot is equal to like a quarter cup. So that's a little goes a long way because this is really concentrated and rich. So you just need a shot of this, like half a quarter cup in the morning and last thing at bedtime. This will activate your system to break down the fats in your system super fast. On the first day, this is what you want to drink to help with the fat burning. So this is that raw fish. This is the raw fish from the ginger juice, and this is the cumin powder. So I'll be using the ginger, cumin powder, and 1 fruit to make a very intense fat burning smoothie for day 1 before you continue drinking for the rest of the 5 days. So you want to get an orange. So you notice you don't throw anything. Your raw fish is dietary fiber is very powerful for fat burning. So you don't never throw your raw fish. So this is it. Peel the orange. Oranges equally help to soften the stool, break down fats in the system, and help your system easily break down food stored up in your system, help you with that constipated tummy, so you can easily break down whatever it is in your system, pass out, and avoid that bloated big tummy. Oranges are very powerful at that. So this is it. 1 orange sliced. This is the cumin. So this is my cumin, or you use cinnamon powder, whichever. So this is half a tablespoon of cumin. You want to use half a tablespoon of it. Set that aside, and the next thing you want to do is to get your blender. Not a lot of ingredients. This is very economical. Everyone can do this and get the benefits. So you want to add in the ginger in your blender. Go ahead and add in the half a tablespoon of cumin powder. Add in your orange, the sliced orange in your blender, and I just add some ice cubes to have this chilled, and so this is it. Don't add any lemon because the ginger is really already concentrated in there. So you just do it this way and you get real benefits out of this. Yeah. So blend till it is all nice and smooth, and drink this on an empty tummy. If it is in the evening, drink last thing at bedtime, or you start your day with this to boost your metabolism, to burn that fat super fast. Once you drink this, you get a shot of this as well, of this fat burning recipe. Just get a shot of it after drinking your smoothie and watch the magic happen. Watch that magic happen. That raw bad fat in your tummy will be all gone, and you get your body all nice and in shape and healthy. So go ahead and try this. Come back and tell me how you feel about it, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and bye.